Welcome. Today we'll solve this integral involving exponential functions. We need to find the integral of 2 to the x minus 5 to the x, all divided by 10 to the x with respect to x. Let's solve this step by step. First, we can split this into two separate integrals. We get the integral of 2 to the x over 10 to the x minus the integral of 5 to the x over 10 to the x. Next, let's simplify. What's inside each integral? In the first integral, 2 to the x over 10 to the x is the same as 0.2 to the x. And in the second integral, 5 over 10 to the x is 0.5 to the x. Now, we can use the rule for integrating exponential functions. The integral of a to the x is equal to a to the x divided by the natural log of a plus c. Let's apply this rule to each integral. For the first term, we get 0.2 to the x divided by log of 0.2. For the second term, we get negative 0.5 to the x divided by log of 0.5. Let's verify this is correct by taking the derivative. The derivative of our answer should give us back the original integrand. And that completes our solution. Remember, when dealing with exponential integrals, we can often simplify the problem by breaking it into parts and using the basic integration rule for exponential functions. Thank you for watching.